Now let's move on to a very interesting pair of TWS earbuds with a feature I have never ever seen before. This is by Boat, and on the case they actually have a very nice display. So what does it do? It projects battery life both for the case and the earbuds itself, and it also doubles up as a power bank. Very impressive sound quality, nice heavy bass, and comes for a price under 3,000 rupees.
We've said it before and we say it again. The TWS category is on fire, and nothing exemplifies this feeling as much as the product that we're reviewing today. Boat AirDope 621 are the latest TWS earbuds by the brand, made with the perfect recipe of aggressive price, trending features, and a surprising array of quirks. These earbuds had us all excited. The AirDope 621 do carry forward a rather traditional design language when it comes to the rechargeable case. The shell-shaped case with us is in a black color and supports a matte finish, which definitely looks premium. That having been said, we're not a big fan of the ergonomics on offer. Fortunately, this tank-like design also translates into the build quality, since the case feels sturdy and is also IPX7 water resistant. Coming to a rather unique quirk of the case, we get a dedicated display that reads the remaining battery life. But that's not where this quirkiness ends, since this case can also double up as a power bank to charge up other devices. Opening the case, we are greeted by the TWS earbuds themselves. Unlike the quirky case, the TWS earbuds don't have a flashy side to them. They are black in color and look in line with generic TWS buds on offer in this range. Boat provides touch controls on the 621s, which can be accessed from the ear tips. More on that in a while. Once you put on the buds, it felt rather comfortable in our ears and we could move our head without restraining movement, which is definitely a good sign. With Bluetooth 5.0, the buds connected with our smartphone in a snap, which is another check in the right box. All set to test the buds, we tuned into our favorite Bollywood numbers. Loud and clear, the sound output was rather impressive and definitely surpassed our expectations. The 6mm drivers on the earbuds deliver stellar audio quality on both high and low volume levels while adding a punchy bass. Turning our tuner to some indie beats, we realized that the buds did struggle initially on higher volume levels, but this issue tends to resolve if we stay in the medium volume range. With the perfect levels of volume, the sound delivery gets better. Throughout our testing, we relied on the touch gestures on the buds to play and pause our tracks, the experience of which was satisfactory. The earbuds are responsive and hardly missed out on any of our commands. Before wrapping up this review, it's important to highlight the biggest USP of AirDope 621, and that is the battery life. On paper, Boat promises that the case can carry 150 hours of battery life, and after our testing, we can back up this claim. It was only after a week of extensive usage that we had to plug in the buds. And with that, our day with the Boat AirDope 621 has come to an end. While these earbuds do carry certain drawbacks like the lack of multiple device connectivity option or fast charging, they deliver on all the essential features that a TWS product must have, not to mention with added quirks. At 2,999 rupees, they are indeed one of the best TWS earbuds that we have tested in a while.